If you're looking for a microphone for streaming and music production, you should consider this one. Getting to the point, here's the audio test for reference. The current audio is being recorded on the cell phone. This audio is being recorded on wired earphones. This audio is being recorded on AirPods 4. This audio is being recorded on the dynamic microphone. The microphone comes with a USB-C cable and an XLR cable. However, it does not cover the microphone stand. Your headphone stand will be need to bought separately. So comment what you think about the microphone. Subscribe for more product reviews.